Hi everyone, the topic for this video is prime factorization. That is, how do you calculate the prime factors of any number. So before we go ahead, let us revise some of the topics. What are factors and multiples? So let's say that there are two numbers a and b, and the condition that is given is that b is divisible by a. So if this holds true, that b is divisible by a, then a is going to be the factor of b, and b is a multiple of a. So if anyone says that a is a factor of b, it means that a can divide into b. Or if someone says that b is a multiple of a, again it means the same. So if I have to calculate the factors of 6, it comes out to be 1, 2 and 3 and 6, because all of these numbers can divide into 6, because 6 is divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6. Let's go ahead and find the prime factors of 84. So prime factors of any number are the factors of that number which are prime. So one way of finding the prime factors of 84 would be to find out all the factors of 84 starting from 1 to 84 and then pick all of those factors which are prime. So that would be one way of finding the prime factors of 84. But the better way is to find out all the prime numbers which can divide into 84. So the better way is to start from the lowest prime number, that is 2, and see if that prime number can divide into the said number, that is 84. If it is, then it's a prime factor. Then take the next prime number and see if it can divide into the given number, and this way you can find out the prime factors. So my way of finding the prime factors of any number, in this case 84, is to write that number and draw a tree. We would start with the first prime number, 2. So 2 can divide into 84, so we write 2, and the quotient is, if 2 divides into 84, we get the quotient as 42. Now we have to find the prime factors of 42. So let's start again with the lowest prime number, which is 2. So 2 can divide into 42, so 2, and we get here as 21. Now 2 cannot divide into 21, so we would go to the next prime number, which is 3. So 3 can divide into 21. 3 sevens are 21, so 7 we can write here. And you stop when you get a prime number here. 2 square into 3 into 7. Now find the prime factors of 3150, 3150. So again I would write 3150 here. On the left hand side, let's see if it is divisible by the lowest prime number. So it is divisible by 2, so I would write 2 here, and here the answer would come as 1575. Now again let's see if it is divisible by the lowest prime number 2. It is not, so we would go with the next bigger prime number, which is 3. So it is divisible by 3, so I would write 3 here, and I would write here as 525. So it can be divided by 3, and here would be 175. Now finding the prime factors of 175, it is not divisible by 2, neither 3. It is divisible by the next prime number, which is 5. So here would come 35. Now 35 is divisible by 5. Now here would be 7. So 7 is a prime number, so we stop here. So prime factors of 3150 are 2, 3, 3, 5, 5 or 7 and 7. Again, another way of writing this would be 2 into 3 square into 5 square into 7. In our previous example, again we would have written this as 2 square into 3 into 7. Okay, so these are the prime factors of 3150. So this is how you calculate the prime factors of any number.